Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the rolling hills, lived a young boy named Harry Potter. Harry was no ordinary boy, for he was a wizard, and he was about to embark on a magical adventure. One evening, as the stars twinkled in the sky, Harry received an owl post from Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. He was invited to return for the new school year. Harry was excited, but also a bit nervous. He had been away from Hogwarts for a long time, and he missed his friends and the magical world. The next morning, Harry packed his bag with a new set of wands, a cauldron, and a few books. He mounted his broomstick, a red Nimbus 2000, and flew towards Hogwarts Castle. As he approached the castle, he saw the familiar towers and the great hall, filled with students and teachers. He felt a sense of homecoming as he entered the castle. Professor Dumbledore, the headmaster, welcomed him warmly. "Welcome back, Harry," he said, his eyes twinkling with kindness. Harry spent the day catching up with his friends, Hermione Granger and Ron Weasley. They shared stories of their summer adventures, and Harry couldn't wait to start the new year. That night, they gathered around the fire in the Gryffindor common room, sharing laughter and stories. Harry felt grateful for the magical friends he had made and the magical world he was a part of. As he drifted off to sleep, Harry felt a sense of peace and excitement. He knew that the new school year would be filled with magic, friendship, and adventure. And so, he dreamt of the wonders that the new year would bring. The end.